solving for x. When I solve for x, I remember lamb. L, draw your line. A, add or subtract. M, multiply or divide. We're going to try an example. So I remember lamb. L, draw my line. A, add or subtract. So I see here that this is plus 7, so I have to do the opposite. So I minus 7. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. Plus 7 and minus 7 cancel out. Now I'm left with 8x on this side is equal to, and 23 minus 7, so 13, and borrow 13 minus 7 is 6. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now I have to do my M, multiply or divide. Since this is multiplication, I have to do the opposite, so I have to divide. So divide this side by 8. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So here I'm left with x is equal to, and 16 divided by 8 is 2. X is equal to 2.